It's known as America's finest city. Sand, surf, and superb weather attract people from around the world. But we're not the first to enjoy it here. San Diego has more biodiversity than any county in the continental U.S. Humans have transformed San Diego's wild landscapes. But life here always finds a way. Because San Diego isn't just America's finest city. It's also America's wildest.
Nature is made possible in part by the Arnhold family in memory of Henry and Clarice Arnhold, Sue and Edgar Wackenheim III, the Fairweather Foundation, Charles Rosenblum, Kathy Chow and Ken Howe, Sarah and Sandra Liu in memory of Sung and Dorothy Liu, the Lillian Goldman Charitable Trust, Dr. George Stanley and Sandra Caruso, the Kate W. Cassidy Foundation, the Philemon M. D'Agostino Foundation, the Greg Peters Muncie's Foundation, Koo and Patricia Ewan, committed to bridging cultural differences in our communities, Seton J. Melvin, Sandra Atlas Bass. Nature is also made possible by viewers like you. Thank you.